The world of innovation never stands still, and as technology advances, so does our ability to create groundbreaking inventions that have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. In this video, we'll explore 11 incredible inventions that you might not have seen yet. 1. Safety first. Airbags for electric scooters. In recent years, electric scooters have become a popular mode of urban transportation. However, safety concerns have arisen due to the lack of adequate protection for riders in case of accidents. Swedish-American equipment manufacturer Auto's innovation in developing airbags for electric scooters addresses this pressing issue. The airbag system, which deploys in the event of an impact, significantly reduces the risk of head and chest injuries for riders. Moreover, it plays a crucial role in preventing the rider from being catapulted over the handlebars during frontal collisions. 2. Floating wind turbine, a game-changer in wind energy. Offshore wind energy is a burgeoning sector in renewable energy production. Dutch company Touchwind's floating wind turbine represents a monumental leap forward in harnessing wind power. What sets this innovation apart is its ability to operate in extreme conditions, including hurricane-level winds. The turbine's design features a floating base with a movable mast and a single blade, topped with a weight that maintains balance. When the wind is mild, the blade assumes an angle that exposes a larger surface area to the air, maximizing energy generation. 3. Arctic exploration, a transformed lifeboat. The story of architects Gilly Simmons and David Schnabel's transformation of an old lifeboat for their Arctic exploration is a testament to human adaptability and ingenuity. The project involved more than just a structural overhaul. It was about creating a home at sea. The boat was equipped with a kitchen, a living room, cabinets, a toilet, and a shower, making it a comfortable and self-sufficient vessel. The boat's extensive overhaul took just over a year, demonstrating the determination and expertise of the architects. 4. Superscooper, aerial firefighter extraordinaire. When it comes to fighting wildfires, time is of the essence, and aerial support can be a game-changer. The Superscooper, manufactured by Viking Air, is a specialized firefighting aircraft designed for rapid response. It can swiftly fill its tanks with an astonishing 1,585 gallons of water in just 12 seconds, making it an indispensable tool in the firefighting arsenal. 5. Human-powered glider, innovative pedal-powered flight. In the world of aviation, where fuel efficiency is paramount, inventors are exploring a novel approach, a human-powered glider that relies solely on the pilot's muscular force. This groundbreaking innovation could open up new possibilities for eco-friendly aviation. 6. SandX, the all-terrain masterpiece. Swiss engineers have created an all-terrain vehicle that can navigate virtually any type of surface, from sand to snow, dirt roads, rocky terrain, and more. Its remarkable ability to operate in extreme temperatures ranging from 58°F to plus 140°F makes it a versatile solution for various applications. 7. Arista, autonomous ground robot for covert reconnaissance. In the realm of military and covert operations, the Arista autonomous ground robot is a game-changer. Its unique frameless design, featuring 4 wheels that can move independently of each other, grants it unparalleled off-road capabilities. This adaptability allows the robot to function in rugged terrains, even in mountainous or challenging environments. 8. Mobot, autonomous forklift for warehouse logistics. The Mobot, autonomous forklift, represents a significant advancement in warehouse logistics. Equipped with 3-dimensional environmental perception technology, it can handle cargo, storage, and navigation operations without the need for human operators. 9. Goalkeeper Simulator, precision training tool. Soccer teams worldwide are embracing innovative technology to train their goalkeepers effectively. This Goalkeeper Simulator allows teams to practice against various types of set-piece shots, improving their skills and readiness for in-game situations. 10. Ergo Sportive Bed, a bed that cares for your sleep. The Ergo Sportive Bed is more than just a bed, it's a technological marvel designed to enhance the quality of sleep. Equipped with smart sensors, this bed can track the sleeper's patterns and adjust the body and leg tilt modes for maximum comfort. These incredible inventions are representative of the ceaseless progress in the fields of technology, transportation, safety, and comfort. They exemplify the relentless pursuit of innovation, driven by a commitment to enhancing our lives and the world around us. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through groundbreaking inventions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content.